Get all materials ready. Assembly frame along with main circuit. Insert the latch properly into the hole over column. Go for 塞载单的可以。Tighten all screws and latches on for sides. Connect power wire for upper frame lights. Trial test. Now, the top flaps. Fasten the screw once manual pole parts connected. Make sure the power cable of flap light stretches out of the holes. Assemble all the flaps. Connect all cables after flaps installation. Arrange power cables tightly. Chest lighting strips. Fasten all screw connections among flaps and transfer bars. Seal the coverings. Turn around the flap worn manually for the final checking.